Guys, in this video I'll show you how to transform data in Power BI. I'll do this from scratch. We'll import data. So I'll click on import data from Excel, and from here I'll open up this Excel file. So click on open, and here they'll give us two options, whether to load the data directly or we can transform the data while we're loading it. Okay, so I'll select all of these sheets and then click on transform data. This will basically open up the Power Query Editor. Of course, you can always come to the home section and basically open up this same thing. So once you are at home, you can click on transform data once you have your data already loaded in. But now since we are bringing this in for the first time, we've just selected transform data while bringing this in. Now, let's say, for example, you are unhappy with the names, okay, of the tables. Then you can easily change the names. So as you can see right here, I can change this to territory. Okay, so go ahead and just change the names right here. So just go ahead and click on enter and the name will be changed. So let me go ahead and do this for the other tables. Of course, you can easily go ahead and right click here and click on rename. Okay, and do the same thing on this section. To rename, of course, just press enter and it will be renamed. Okay, so I've renamed everything, and as you can see on this table, the first row is null values. So to remove these, it's very easy to transfer. You come here, click on home, click here on remove rows, and then just go ahead and select remove top rows. And this will open up a pop-up here. It'll ask you the number of rows you want to remove from the top. So I'll just say 1. Okay, we need to specify. Click on OK, and the first row has been removed. Now let's say I want to replace these null values. So I'll just highlight all the columns. So I'll have Control. I'll hold it down and click on each column right here. So I'll repeat the same process. And that is almost all the columns. There we go. And then I'll just right click and then click on replace values. As you can see right here, and on this pop-up, we'll find the value null. And let's say we want to replace this with 0. Okay, and then just come here and click on OK. And there you go. All the null values have been replaced by 0. Now let's say I want to remove these zeros, right? So come here at each column, click on this down arrow, and we need to make a filter. So we'll remove the 0, we'll uncheck this, click on OK, the zeros are gone. Anything that has zeros, we're gone. We'll do the same thing here for last name, deselect that, click on OK, and we almost have everything going away. As you can see, those are going. This one is left. So we're removing everything with a 0. Say we don't want that. And we have cleaned up our data, as you can see. And there you go. Of course, if you want to rename any column heading, you just right click. And then you go ahead and click here on rename and rename it. And that is how, guys, you can transform your data in Power BI. Really that easy and simple.